Okay, so I've been putting this off for a minute, but I got new dishes. Okay, so we're gonna unbox these right now. I'm so excited. We found these. Where did we find these? At HomeGoods?
Yeah.
Yeah, we found these at HomeGoods, and I was looking for just pretty much a good basic set, and happened to run into these, and I think they're so cute with the little bubbles on them. It's 16 pieces, so you got your dinner plates, your snack plates, your bowls, and your mugs. So let's make sure nothing's broken. And then we're gonna run it through the dishwasher and enjoy. It's been, ooh! It's mine anyways. Ooh! I don't really know how I feel about the color white too much. Like, I usually would stay away from that, but the pearl is really pretty, I think. You gotta go clean your nose or something?
No.
Okay, so this must be like the mugs or something. I don't hear anything jingling. Excuse me.
What happens if somebody's jingling?
Then it means it's broken inside.
That's not going.
Nope. This is the real tricky one, please. Uh-oh. I think I might have heard a tinge of jingle. Well, let's find out. Found the trash bags.
Yeah. If it's broken, then we can put it in the trash can.
Hopefully it's not. No. We can bring it right back to HomeGoods.
I put it in the trash can.
You know where my scissors are?
I don't know.
Thank you.
Why do you have to hold it once it punches it inside?
Yeah, so that way it doesn't stab you by accident. Alright. Whoa.
How many blades are there?
Here's one. I like the way this feels. The little dots. Can you put that carefully on the counter over there where the cookies are? We're gonna have to wash them anyways because they have like packaging dust on them. Aren't they nice?
Yeah.
I feel like whenever you move into somewhere new, you should just get new plates. Like, new things. Do you like them still?
Yeah.
I like them. They're simple, they're chic. The food will be the highlight.
If one of them is broken, that's okay, because I want the backup ones.
Let's hope there's none broken though.
If some of them are broken, if one of them is broken, that's okay. Because I extra much, but I know I hope that they have singles.
I think they packaged it real good. Nothing looks broken to me. Alright.
I guarantee you I heard some jingle. I guarantee you I heard some jingle. And nothing is broken.
Now let's find out about these ones. These are the mugs.
I know I got told the jingle. I know I got told the jingle. Ooh, one for me, one for you.
Yeah.
Yeah, and one for baby. And one for baby too. There's also one for my sibling.
And nothing's broken. Perfect.
But in case it was a boy or a dog. My baby duck. No, it was locked in trouble.
pack those in there real good.
Yeah. That's the way for bullseye broken. That's the way for bullseye broken. I can't see all
No
of them.
way. Isn't that pretty?
One for you.
I really like these little dots on it.
A one for my sibling.
And that's that. Finally got around to unpacking it. Now we gotta wash it.
Yeah.
I like how big these bowls are.
Yeah. And a bag for me, a bag for you, and one for my sibling. A bowl for me, a bowl for you, and one for my sibling. Open.
Now we gotta clean this mess up and wash these. Alright, so we've got everything loaded up. All the brand new silverware, all the brand new plates. And
That's a
mugs.
bowl for me, a bowl for you, and one for my sibling. A mug for me, a mug for you, and one for my sibling. A plate for me, a plate for you, and one for my sibling. A bill for me, a bill for you, and one for my sibling. A knife for me, a knife for you, and one for my sibling.
Is the fourth plate for leftovers or serving?
Sorry.
Serving. Alright, let's load it up.
You like anything?